These two stones have been standing here for 4,000 years, and on one specific evening in June 2026, two planets lined up right beside them, almost like they knew. Look to the left side of the sky. Those two bright dots sitting close together are Venus and Jupiter. On June 9th, they came within less than 2 degrees of each other as seen from Earth. To put that in your hand, hold your pinky finger up at arm's length. That gap is about twice as wide as these two planets were apart, and you didn't need a telescope to see it. Just eyes, just the evening sky. Now here's what makes that timing strange. Venus laps Jupiter roughly every 13 months. It's the faster inner planet catching up to the slower outer one. But a conjunction you can actually see in the evening twilight, far enough from the sun's glare to be this clear, that only lines up about every 3 years. So this night, this pairing, wasn't something you could just wait until next month for. And the people who chose this spot, Avebury in Wiltshire, UK, they were here 4,000 years ago, raising stones that weigh up to 40 tons. Look at these two right here. The gap between them frames the sky almost like a window. Avebury is actually larger than Stonehenge. The whole Henge complex wraps around part of a village. We don't know exactly what they were marking or watching for, but someone, long before calendars or clocks, kept showing up to look at the sky from this exact field. Two planets that spent billions of years circling the sun in total silence. A field where people dragged enormous stones to mark something they thought mattered. And one evening where those two things lined up. Nobody planned that combination. It just happened, which might be the best part. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data pulls next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.